Aladdin is here.
Aladdin is here.
Aladdin is
Aladdin is
here.
here. Look,
Aladdin.
He's here. See, Aladdin is here.
Aladdin is here.
I don't know why, but God is trying to take revenge on
My
me.
brother. Aladdin is here. Aladdin is here. Aladdin is here. See everybody. Aladdin is here.
Come. Aladdin, where were you? All of us were eagerly waiting for you.
Aladdin, my dear, how was your journey, huh?
Aladdin dear, how was your journey? Move away, he has just returned from his journey and you have surrounded him already like beggars. Let him breathe at last. Aladdin, my child, where were you? Tell me, why did you leave without informing your aunt? You know, your uncle and I were yearning to see your face.
What did she say?
Really?
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 Rukhsar! Rukhsar, look! The apple of your eye! Your lifeline, your son Aladdin is back, Rukhsar! Rukhsar!
When a son leaves home, he doesn't go alone. His mother's blessings go with him. His mother's peace of mind goes with him.
Your peace of mind is back, Mom.
Oh dear Lord!
My dear.
I can't bear to see the love between this mother and son.
Listen, I am not going to let you go anywhere now, understand?
My brother. Aladdin. Aunt has organized a feast to celebrate your return. Mother and father have even brought a beggar's bowl to take some food home. Father.
Mom, what is this? You've called the neighborhood?
I just forgot. You come with me. Come,
Hey, but
come,
Mom,
come with me.
Aladdin is back. But who is this gentleman? I will have to find out.
Princess, congratulations, your wait is over. His Highness and Her Majesty have arrived in the palace.
Really?
Yes.
Father is here. Now let alone Muchchad, no one will be able to harm Baghdad anymore.
Attention! With due respect, alert everyone! The pride of Baghdad and the heartbeat of every common man, the King of Baghdad, Shahnawaz, and the Queen of Baghdad, Mehrunisa, are now arriving!
May God bless you and ward the evil eyes off you.
Mom, what is going on here? Why are so many people here?
I had made a votive that when my son will return after accomplishing his task, I will invite the entire neighborhood. After all, we are related to the family of Ibn Battuta. Your father would look for excuses to invite people home. He very well knew the art of living. Aladdin, the same glow has returned to this house today. Just because of you. Be happy.
Mom, the feast is all right, but why does the house seem like we're celebrating Eid? I mean, new clothes, new curtains, new utensils. Where did you get all this from?
After all, my son has started earning so much, there will be celebrations every day. When a home is decorated with the money earned by honesty and hard work, the home flourishes. And all this is due to your hard work.
But Mom...
Stop talking now. We have a lot of guests out there. We need to attend them. Happiness manifolds when you spread them.
But what about money?
I took a loan. I've told everyone that you will pay them back when you return.
Oh my God, another loan? I'm done for. But mom, you.
Oh God, stop irritating me. Oh no, I completely forgot that there is a biryani on the stove.
What? What? Mom? What? She's cooked biryani? Now everyone will soon ask for their money back. Next week, I'm the one who is going to be cooked on the stove. Oh my God, Ginny, he must be flying now.
Your Majesty. Hey, my dear Highness. And long live the Queen. May your grace always remain on Baghdad, Your Highness. Your Highness, we are all curious to know about your trip to Hindustan was.
Magnificent.
He means it was great. It has had a huge impact on His Highness. He has started speaking their language.
By the grace of yoga and Ayurveda, my health has improved to quite an extent. Hindustan is really amazing. I learnt many new things over there. According to them, one must save the girl child and educate her.
Wonderful.
You should have continued treatment for a few more days over there. But you never listened to me.
My queen, you know very well that we had to return.
May God grant you a long life. Because Baghdad is nothing without its emperor.
And the emperor is nothing without his loyal minister.
Minister Zafar pretends to be loyal before the king, but actually he is the deceitful Mutchad.
Master has ordered me to stay here. I have to stay here, but my hunger wants to take me. What do I do now? Hey, Kebab, you have no idea how lucky you are. You are being eaten by the most handsome guy in Baghdad. My hands are the longest. My magic is incredible because I want to eat the kebab. My hand! My kebab! My Hello, kebab. Mr. Kebab. How are you? My kebab. We are meeting after 500 long years. I shall eat to my heart's content. My kebab. Mister, where is my kebab?
Hey, what are you doing? Leave this and eat this instead.
Okay.
No, not me. She meant was eat this.
Okay.
Move away. He seems to be quite humorous.
He has been hogging like a buffalo.
Have you seen yourself? You are so thin and yet you eat 20 flatbreads. He is healthier than you. Now he will tell us how Aladdin got so much of wealth.
Look at him. It seems as if he has not eaten for a decade.
Not just 1 decade, for decades.
He has such a good sense of humor. Just be quiet. Sir, please tell us, where have you come from?
From the lamp.
From the lamp? What do you mean?
I used to stay in the lamp before.
Lamb?
What is that?
Father.
Princess.
Wonderful.
Father, tell me, how do you feel? How is your health now?
Well, nothing can happen to me as long as you are with me. Here, look at me. Look at this.
Father, you have not changed at all.
Meet your mother as well.
Greetings, Mother.
Greetings. Be happy. I was wondering if you have forgotten the etiquettes of a princess. Will you only hug your father, not me?
I missed you a lot.
Now that I'm here, I will look after yours as well as your father's health.
Is he so jealous of my looks that he's emitting smoke from his body? Mother! Something is fishy.
What do you mean by that, dear?
Something is wrong with this man. Mother, smoke!
Forget about the smoke. What is wrong with you, Gulbadan?
What happened to me?
What happened to you?
What happened to me?
That's what I'm asking. What happened?
What happened to me?
You look so dull. Your body is not puffed up. You have dark circles under your eyes. Take this, Gulbadan. Take it. And eat as much as you can, please. Please, Gulbadan. I cannot see you in such a weak disposition.
Aladdin, my brother.
Oh, Aladdin, when we asked him where he came from, he said, I've come from a lab. Now tell me, is that a name of a place?
Exactly, Aunt. There is no place by that name. He meant that he makes lamps. He has a business of making lamps for generations.
He is rich. He has such a big business. This is how rich people are. Dear, please introduce us to him.
Of course. He is Sheikh Al-Azad Abdul Muzaffar Uluddin Shah. Jin Daulat Shah. People fondly call him Jinu.
Wow! Such a long name! Such a big stomach! I wonder how big his business must be.
Yeah. We'll have to get him out of here soon, Aladdin.
I swear upon gold coins, only the rich people have such long names. Rich people, long names.
Sir, why don't you give your stomach some break or it will get upset?
God forbid, my dear, you must never interrupt someone while they're eating. You eat.
Please get up, sir. Come on.
Please sit, sir. Please.
Please sit, sir.
Come on, get up, sir.
Please sit, sir.
Please sit.
Please get up, sir.
Please sit, sir. Sir, tell us something. Where did you meet our Aladdin?
Aladdin is my...
What happened?
Spicy,
What happened, sir?
Spicy, spicy water.
Chilies are your enemy. You want water? Come with me. Come on. Yes, I will help you. Come on.
Water.
Come with me. Yes.
Water.
Something is fishy about this black thief.
Huh?
I mean to say something is fishy here.
Princess, perhaps you have a gift for the Emperor? Let me have a look at it as to what it is.
Forgive me, but this gift is for my father. So he will look at it first. Father, I need to talk to you something important.
Yes, tell me.
I have found the person who is responsible for the troubles in our kingdom.
Who is it?
The princess herself is the cause of all troubles. An unmarried girl is a burden to her father. You are of a marriageable age and you are occupied in the problems of the kingdom.
If father and you are concerned about my marriage, then let me bring an end to your concern. I have decided what my future is going to be.
Great. Splendid.
Listen to her decision first. Your daughter does not wish to get married. Instead, she wants to become the queen of Baghdad and manage the administration. Minister Zafar has told me everything.
Princess, that is not what I meant. I only informed the queen about this.
I am sorry, mother, that you had to learn my decision from someone else. But now you know what I want. I can very well manage the responsibility of Baghdad. And I also have proof of it.
Do not confine me in the cave, Master Aladdin, the name you have heard before.
This is not a cave. This is a storeroom for food items.
Food items? Then I'm willing to be confined here, Master Aladdin, the name you have heard before.
Until I sent everyone away from here, do not even try to move.
As you command, Master Aladdin, the name you have heard before.
Listen, if anyone comes in front of you, then for God's sake, do not use these words cave, lamp, genie, or master, alright? Do you understand? And if anyone asks, say that your name is Jinu and that you are a friend of Aladdin, okay?
As you wish, Master. Master Aladdin, the name you've heard before, he left. What should I eat now?
The milk is on the stove and I cannot find the sugar. Oh no. I think he did not send sugar along with the groceries. Oh no. Now how will I make sheer khurma?
If there is no sugar, then use dates instead. Yes, my mother used to add dates to sheer khurma.
Dates? You, who are you? Just wait for a minute. You, who are
I'm
you?
the friend of Aladdin, the name you've... I'm the friend, Jinu.
You are Aladdin's friend?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me earlier? Oh no. These seem ripe. Tell me one thing. If you are Aladdin's friend, then what are you doing here? Come on, come with me. Come to the kitchen.
I want to thank you all for coming here. Mom and I love to have you here. Really. And now I feel that you should all leave right now. I'm so exhausted after the journey. It's getting difficult to stay awake.
Okay then. If that is the case, then pay us back and we will leave. You only have to pay me 30 gold coins, right? How much do they owe you?
30 to me.
Aladdin, you owe me 40 gold coins since 2 years. Return those.
Yes. And 20 to me also.
And 25 gold coins to me. Give me.
Yes, pay us.
Wow. You have been blessed with such a beautiful nature. You have been shoving the biryani down your throat. And then you ask for money. Don't you feel ashamed? Hey, can't you all see how tired the innocent boy is? He wants to rest now. He's not going anywhere. He'll pay you back. Now eat and get out. Oh yes, but before you all leave, do eat the sheer korma prepared by Rukhsar.
Yeah, sheer khurma. I'll have to get rid of these people soon. Otherwise, I'll get caught.
How is it?
I have never eaten such sheer khurma before.
You mean, is it bad or very bad?
The sheer khurma is really delicious.
Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Oh my goodness, what is this madness? Oh my goodness, what is this madness?
Wonderful. Your hands are magical, Rukhsar. The food you cook touches the heart.
I know I have messed up something.
You did not do anything wrong.
So then, why are you crying?
I remembered a dear one. That's it. You are amazing, Jinu dear.
Dear? Dear? You called me dear?
You are just like my son. That's what I'm going to call you.
So then can I call you my mom?
Of course.
Oh my goodness. What is this madness? Mother? Mother, the sheer khurma will overboil.
Oh, I'm glad you noticed it. All the guests outside are waiting for the sheer khurma. Can you just get me the bowls from there?
As you command, Mother.
Mom.